గోల్డ్ ట్రస్టెడ్ గోల్డ్ బయర్స్ మీరు తాకట్టు పెట్టిన బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఈ రోజు ఉన్న మార్కెట్ ధరకు కొనబడను.
Welcome to my show Trendsetter. Well, today my guest is Manasa Varanasi. Well, it's a very well-known name in the field of modeling. Well, we have caught her from her busy schedule and she's at her home, and I have come especially to catch up her in her home, because it will actually gives the feel, how you've been into your place, what she likes. We'll discover more about it. Must be you have seen a lot of interview, but in this interview, you'll discover her happy place in her house. So it's the first time, she's giving that interview in her house. She's been going to the studios and, talking about her upcoming projects and what makes her excited in her future plans. Everything we'll find out. So let's find out what's going on in her future projects. Come. Let me knock the door. Or ring the bell. She's here. Yes, it's Manasa Varanasi, Miss India, Miss World. Created a big history. I don't have a crown. I feel like putting a crown. So can I come in? So thank you so much, Manasa, giving me your time and especially inviting in your beautiful house, which actually something different we are doing with you, and you are giving that opportunity, because most of the time when celebrities go to the studio, sit it at one place and do the interview, I think you'll be more relaxed at your home, and we're going to explore more about it. What do you have to say about that?
Let's go. Let's do this.
Okay, thank you so much. So let's come to her first. Whenever we come inside somebody's house, it's always a happy place, like a we say drawing room. So how it's like get into when some first thing comes to your mind when you get into your house?
This is the first room that I usually chill at as soon as I enter my home. Of course, it's probably the least used room.
Okay.
It's more used by my mother.
Okay.
As you can clearly see, we have her paintings
I
here.
love these paintings. I must say, it's like feels like you're in some creative place.
Yes.
So your mother is an artist?
She is. And I think she's been a beautiful painter since many years. And I feel like ever since she shifted her job from being an artist to growing me up as well as my sister, somewhere down the line I feel like she disconnected from her art form, and so I'm always behind her saying, "Ma, go back, now is the time. The little birds have flown away from the nest, so I want you to dive deeper into art." And this is just her.
I must say every daughter should learn this, that it's not only your dreams. The mother sees her dreams, what she's not able to fulfill by daughter, she believes in. But it's good to see that your dreams, your mother dreams, you're trying to fulfill.
Yeah, no,
That's
I'm so proud of her. This is art.
Exactly.
And we need more of this.
So beautiful, I must say. It's first is very beautiful lady, the kind of, and then Ganesha and mother and child. And this one?
This is also a very demure, feminine Indian lady surrounded by beautiful lotuses.
Already she has beautiful ladies around you, 3 of us, mother, 2 daughters, I must say. And there's a full kind of setup she has kept professionally.
Yeah.
So I must say it's like a creative.
This is usually a lot messier, but for the sake of the camera, we had to demessify it.
But I must say it's an art studio. I feel like that, going little bit, one more painting I would like to show.
Yeah.
She has kept her professionally a stand and the painting. I think she must be working on that.
Oh, this one's completed.
But so pretty.
Yeah.
The kind, I loved it. I think that this lady is busy on reading something.
Yes.
The creative thoughts. I can see now why you're so creative and you go out of the boundaries to read something. That's great.
Runs in the blood.
When anybody comes or kid, they always have this daddy bear feeling. We always have that kid feeling in our hearts. So is it your daddy bear?
This is, my sister and I. This is Masti, by the way. And this was gifted to my sister almost about 15 years ago. And now that she's...
Are you 15 years old, baby? So cute. Okay.
Yeah. We've seen a lot.
Such a nicely maintained, and see how bad you are feeling. Don't feel bad, darling.
Yeah.
You're just 15 years.
This Teddy is the best substitute to my sister right now, who's off studying her masters in the US. So this is Masti come
So when
Meghna.
you also miss your daughter, when you miss your sister, you must be sitting with her and enjoying this moments. You must be feeling that, okay, my sister is here.
Yeah, this is exactly what Masti is doing, being my sister.
Okay, she fulfilled that loneliness, what you missed. And this is something related to prayers or something, or just art?
When I happened to go to this event in Orissa, Bhubaneswar, they happened to gift me this painting that is
Okay.
authentic to their cultures.
Okay, these are all paintings.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, in Bhubaneswar,
If I'm not mistaken, it's called Sambalpuri.
Sambalpuri,
Yeah, Sambalpuri
okay.
art, yeah.
You guys are full art lover, I must say, because when I entered your home, so much nature and art.
Yes.
You can see this. This is also very art, unique. One can understand
Yep.
that, you know, we always believe a person who's like, you know, their house shows what kind of personality they are, what kind of people stay in that home. So they're all creative and artists, I must say. So this is your, like, or your mother only?
This is again my mom's purchase.
This is like table or nature connection.
This is a repurposed piece of wood, I believe. And I think as a family and even as an individual, I love being connected to nature. Having elements which showcase our love for
An
nature.
artist piece, more like I can see. This is all you shopped or your mom only?
This is again from a hamper.
Okay.
And it was just so beautiful that we had to incorporate it in the furniture. Most of it is my mom, to be honest. This is mine.
Okay, this
I
is
picked
finally. This is
but
from
the
where
rest
you
is
bought?
all my mom. I got this on Etsy.
Okay, and this painted by your mom?
No.
Okay, okay.
This was purchased. It came
Purchased.
from Rajasthan, and I think this
Okay.
is also an art form that is
Yes, this is art form,
bone
right?
inlay.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So you also art lover, I discovered. That's the point. With this, you know, we always see, okay, Miss India, she must be more into modeling stuff, advertising, or you know, on social, some all other activity, but they don't know that this side you're an art lover also. I must
Yep.
say, I appreciate this. This is the other side of yours, right?
Yes, life is art. What is life without art?
Exactly. So next we'll go to your other way, other place. It's
Yes,
great.
We can settle
Good
here.
of ventilation. I think this house you only bought. So this is your other part of your house.
This is the living room.
Okay.
This is where I watch all my movies.
Actually, I again I feel like, you know, I'm some creative place, you know, the kind, again, nature is here. So I come again to your other place. I can see the feel of art, especially the wall side also. Some trees feeling is coming. I think I can see it's not normal. Is
Yes.
it your choice of?
This is my mom's choice.
Okay.
She's clearly the artist in this house, the painter and the artist who has
So
an eye
she
for
walls also, she wanted every wall, I can see it's different.
Yes, even that wall was all her. She wanted a wall that looked like bricks
Okay.
set in.
But it's not bricks.
It's not. It's an illusion. But
Okay.
you can think of them as bricks.
Yes.
You will never know.
Yes, I even know. And then again the plants comes, as you always love for nature, right?
Yeah.
That's always there. So next comes, this is the very first, when I came, I just saw this. This is something really nice. He's a grandma.
This is my Amama.
I know you always talk about her in your interviews.
She's my most precious.
I know.
She's the cutest, sassiest.
Where is she right now?
She's in Ashok Nagar right
Okay,
now at her
okay.
place. Yeah.
Because I've seen most of your interview, you always talk about her and you always look for her food, right?
Yes. Yes. My mom's food, my food. I
That's
think we're all
something
inspired.
really great moment, memory, you know, giving your achievements to your grandparents, sharing.
Yeah.
Okay, these are your
Cute day.
awards.
This is just a mixed fruit juice of
Mixed with.
everything.
Again, I can see this frame. This is a beautiful lady. I just met her.
Yeah.
And the,
She's
you
a
are
charmer.
this one?
Yes.
And she's
That's-
so cutie.
Yeah.
I
Two
miss-
monkeys with mama and daddy.
They're so beautiful monkeys. I must say, they're not monkeys, but you're looking so pretty. I'm missing seeing her. She's so cute.
Yes.
How you see when you see all these memories, and then, you know, mostly, you know, we always don't want people to see our bachpan ki photos, you know, when we were kid, we don't want others to see. But I can
Yeah.
see the way you have been, yeah.
Yeah, no, I think this age ke photo is more than happy to share it with everybody. It's the pre-adolescent years, the teenage
Okay.
years that were the most awkward. So,
Okay.
वो थोड़ा hidden ही रखना better है.
Okay, but I can see. See, one more pic is there.
Yes.
This is with two choti hush. This with
That's
two.
Meghna, my sister again.
Okay, your sister. She's
Yeah.
so pretty, cutie pie. But you are in a very traditional, with bindi and choti.
Yes.
I mean, an Indian look. I can
Yes.
see. So from
Dil hai Hindustani.
So from childhood, you were like this. I mean, very sensitive, cool, calm. I can see in your
Pretty
photos.
much, yeah. I was a big time introvert. I still am, but I was a lot shyer as a kid. I
You were
think
shy.
extremely shy.
Huh.
My mom will vouch for it. My mom and all our friends from back in school. And it's just taken a lot of putting myself in uncomfortable situations, being curious, and forcing myself to be on stage, all those kind of things to yeah, become more open, friendly, and happy and curious to take on the world.
So you were not much of like stage going or like just keep yourself calm and do your homework and go to school. That's it. A timetable follower.
No, I was happy to be on stage. Although off stage, I was extremely silent. And since I was learning Bharatnatyam and Sangeetam as a kid, oftentimes we would have to put up performances at temples, be on stage, etc. But that's how I chose to express myself, you know, on stage artistically. But when it came to off stage, off camera,
Then you're like cool girl.
happy to be in the corner of the
Corner
room,
of the room.
with my books.
Okay, you have it. Okay, I can see the books also there. See, so okay, we'll sit and just
Yes.
do a little bit of more
me switch
information
on.
about that. These are your favorite books, like you read all these books. Are you like what kind of a book lover you
So
are?
I love all kinds of books. I think as a child I loved fiction, young adult
Okay.
fiction, Harry Potter, Percy Jackson,
Okay.
all of that. Was obsessed
Okay.
with different worlds that transported me. But over the years I've become more interested in fiction.
Okay.
I love all kinds of books. I don't like to put myself in a box. Right now I'm reading this book called Tiny Beautiful Things. And I highly recommend it to everybody.
But
as well as
nowadays
you.
we see, you know, kids, the new generation, they are actually missing the feel of the book in their hand. How you got this habit, I want to know. Who was the initiative? Who gave you the first book in your hand to read? I think the parents and the family actually, they are the part who make you learn all this.
True.
How it happened to you, I wanted. I mean, all the generation now, they should have a book touch. They're missing the touch of book, I think.
Yes, we definitely need more books being embraced. And I think in my case, it was my friends. My mom and dad don't read books as much either. I mean, if there's any book that they've repeatedly encouraged and forced me to study, it's Padhai.
Padhai,
Those are the
okay.
kind of books they've
Okay.
always
Okay.
put forth. But my friends who would always talk about Harry Potter, Princess Diaries, I think when you spend so much time around people and you want to be a part of their conversations,
Yes,
right?
yes.
You want to have fun and have a chance to kind of share all the magic that happens inside books. And I say one thing leads to another. And once you start reading a book and it really touches you, there's
You
no
can
stopping.
have- right,
Yeah.
right.
It's just one onto the other.
I